Okay, let's try this again. My rosette got entangled, so you got to be careful not to entangle it when it's sewing. So I'm going to show you again. The opening is on your right, where you fold it at is on your left. That's where you're going to sew, on your left, where you fold it at. So let's try this one more time. And we want this not to move. Okay. Let's move. Okay. Now we want to release it. Okay, now we want to find, that's too much thread. We want to find which thread is the one to pull on. Now we want to go to the other side and pull on that thread. I think I'm happy the way it's looking, so I'm going to start tying the ends. So I want to tie this. I'm going to make a knot, and that, but I want to make sure that the knot goes in between the side here. Yep. Okay, now I want to cut it, the thread, not too close to the knot because it will get loosened. I did that. Now I want to go to the other side where I didn't knot it, and I want to pull on that thread to make sure that it is what I want. So now I'm going to make a knot on that end also. And cut out so you have a that, but I'm going to show you how to you want to make sure when you unravel it like that. Then when you're satisfied on both sides, you want to squish it again so that it could stay. You want your glue. Are you seeing this? Yes. And it's the same thing with the large. So you want a little bit of glue here, not that much. You want to squish it, and then you want a little bit of glue in the back or your front. make sure that it is even. And there you have your little crepe paper rosettes. So I hope this video was helpful. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, please leave it down below. And I would love to have you subscribe to my channel so that you can see more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day. Bye.